everyone, today we're going to make a Christmas wreath for the front door. For today you're going to need a ring of some sort. You're going to need some greenery. I've got plenty of greenery from my garden actually. And you'll need some wire to wrap it around. Other than that, the rest is up to you if you want to put some fake snow, some acorns, ribbons, so on. So to start off, I'm going to take a bunch of different greenery and I'm just going to stick them together. I'm going to cut a few of them up. So I don't want them to be too big because then I won't have a gap in the middle of my circle. So I want to try and make them fairly tight and small so that we can still have a gap here. Okay, so now I have them in a bundle together. I'm just going to wrap a little bit of wire around it to keep it in place. This just kind of makes it a little easier for me when it comes to putting it onto the ring. And here we have it, okay? So the point is to make a few of these and then we're going to start wrapping them around our wreaths. Okay? I would like to give you some information on the trees that I've used, but I actually don't know anything about them. It is cold. Okay, let's put them together. You'll begin by tying the wire around the greenery and the ring in order to tie them together. Make sure to tie it fairly tightly and to wrap it around 3 to 4 times. Twist the wire to secure it, and at the end you can cut off any extra wire. Place your next bundle of greenery slightly overlapping the other. Slightly tilt it inwards towards the centre of the ring. Again, wrap the wire around tightly 3 to 4 times. For the next greenery, repeat the same process except this time slightly tilt outwards away from the middle of the ring. And then one after that, face it inwards, and the one after that outwards. Continue this process all the way around the ring. Okay, so see where we have some gaps here? Okay, like here. And you can see the wires. So I'm just going to go around and fix up those little areas and stick some greenery in, and I'm going to just apply them with a little bit of wire. First we need an acorn, and it's good to have one that's quite wide at the bottom. And then we're going to take some wire. And let's just place the wire into the acorn. Like so. And we'll do a little twist, secure it. Okay, and then you just find where you want to place it. And with the rest of the wire, we're just gonna wrap it under, like so. Do you mind? Thank you. Hi everybody! I'm talking.